The health benefits of dandelion tea are incredible, and the plant genuinely works and rejuvenates your body from inside out. Number 1. Full of strong antioxidants. Dandelion tea is enriched with antioxidant, which makes this plant a fantastic health product. Number 2. Dilutes water weight. If you often feel bloated, try consuming dandelion tea once at least. Number 3. Better liver health. Dandelion root has been famous by the name of liver tonic in old medicines from a very long time. Preliminary studies recommend this is compulsory in part to its tendency to enhance the bile flow. Naturopaths believe that dandelion tea contains the fantastic property of detoxification, and it helps to relieve the eye and skin issues and alleviates signs of liver disease. Dandelion may also be very beneficial to prevent inflammation caused by any sickness because of the presence of several bioactive compounds like polyphenols inside the plant. Inflammation is basically our body's natural reaction to illness or injury. With time, extra inflammation can direct us to permanent damage to DNA and body tissues. Number 5. Helps in controlling blood sugar. Chlorogenic and chicharic acid are two super bioactive molecules found in dandelion. Number 6. Comforts digestive ills. Dandelion root tea can cast several sound effects on our digestive system, while most of the proofs are anecdotal. Number 7. Fights cancer. Possibly one of the most fascinating health claims of dandelion is their strength to preclude the development of cancerous cells in different organs of the system.